In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a header and footer in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. So here, I've got a document with a header at the top and a footer at the bottom, and I want to get rid of them both completely. The quickest way to do this is to go up to the top and click on Insert. Then, go to Header and Footer, select on the arrow underneath Header, and select Remove Header. You're going to do the same for Footer, Remove Footer. And that's it. Both are completely removed. In this example, I have 2 pages, but I only want to remove the header and footer on the first page. We can't use the previous method, we have to use a different method. If I want to remove this header, I double select the header, and here I'm just going to different first page, and now it's been removed. Then I select close header and footer. The header and footer on the first page has been removed, but it's remained on the second page. If this video has helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about customizing headers and footers, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.